Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Wi-Fi and selecting the correct network SSID. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the menu bar or open System Settings Wi-Fi, then pick your network. Enter the password exactly as provided. Capitalization and special characters matter. Once done, Mac OS will attempt authentication and assign an IP address. Make sure you're close enough to the router for a solid signal and temporarily disable any VPN or firewall apps that could block the initial connection. After connecting, you should confirm network settings so the link stays reliable. Open System Settings Network and select Wi-Fi to check that auto join is enabled and that the IP is assigned via DHCP. If your network requires a static IP or custom DNS, choose manual and enter the values provided by your admin. This prevents conflicts and improves name resolution. Once configured, save the password to Keychain so future logins are automatic. These steps reduce drops and speed up reconnection. Finish by verifying you can browse and that latency is acceptable. Open Safari and load a fast site or run a speed test. If pages fail, check DNS in network settings and try renewing the DHCP lease. Make sure the router's firmware is current and that your Mac software is updated. If connectivity still fails, forget the Wi-Fi network, then rejoin with the password. One troubleshooting tip: if intermittent drops persist, restart both your Mac and the router. This clears caches and often resolves stale IP assignments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.